Just imagine a land of contrasts, where snow-capped mountains pierce the sky and scorching deserts stretch as far as the eye can see. A land where the world's most majestic waterfalls thunder into the depths below, and ancient forests whisper secrets to those who dare to listen. Do you hear the sweet music? No wonder why the infamous quote of the English poet William Shakespeare can't be forgotten when he said, "The earth has music for those who listen." This is not a fantasy realm, but a real place, shrouded in mystery and hidden from the prying eyes of the media and its world. Welcome to Africa, the cradle of humanity, where the geography is as fascinating as it is misunderstood. Before we delve right into this fascinating journey exposing you to facts about Africa's geography that the world would be amazed to know, don't forget to support our efforts by hitting the thumb up button beneath the screen. Share video with your friends and families to keep spreading our eye-opening black narrative, and also subscribe kindly to stay always tuned in if you are yet to. Now let us dive in. Interestingly, geography played a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of early human societies. The interplay between landscape, climate, wildlife, vegetation, and natural resources profoundly influenced the development of these societies, determining whether they adopted nomadic or settled lifestyles. Factors such as weather patterns, soil fertility, and access to drinking water and tool-making resources significantly impacted the characteristics of these early societies. In Africa, well-watered regions like the savannas and the northern and southern fringes of the continent have historically supported settled communities. These areas, blessed with abundant rainfall, fertile soil, and diverse wildlife, provided an environment conducive to population growth and sustainability. Conversely, more arid regions, such as the transitional zones between savannas and deserts, received less rainfall and had poorer soil quality, making farming challenging. These areas were better suited for nomadic lifestyles, with a focus on herding grazing animals to provide essential resources like food, clothing, and tools. Africa is a large and incredibly diverse continent. It features a wide range of geographic features, including towering mountains, dense rainforests, vast deserts, and winding rivers. By examining Africa's diverse geography, we gain insight into the evolution of the continent's earliest human societies. The complex relationships between geography and human development have had a lasting impact on the course of African history, making it essential to understand these dynamics to appreciate the rich cultural heritage of the continent. Africa's diverse geography spans the equatorial and subtropical latitudes of both hemispheres, resulting in a wide range of climates, from scorching deserts to frozen glaciers, sweltering rainforests, and lush grasslands. The continent's tropical climate zone, situated between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, is home to various environments, including the equatorial rainforest, tropical savannas, and monsoon regions. As we venture deeper into the heart of Africa, we find ourselves in the midst of a geological wonderland, where the forces of nature have sculpted a landscape of breathtaking beauty. The Nile River, the world's longest river, winds its way through the Sahara Desert, nourishing the fertile valleys and deltas that have cradled some of humanity's most ancient civilizations. The Atlas Mountains, the Drakensberg Mountains, and the Ruwenzori Mountains, each with its unique geological history and breathtaking scenery, stand sentinel over the continent, beckoning adventurers and explorers to uncover their secrets. From the Mediterranean shores of Morocco to the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa, Africa's geography is a tapestry woven from diverse threads of climate, geology, and culture. From the snow-capped peaks of the Atlas Mountains to the lush rainforests of the Congo Basin, Africa's geography is a treasure trove of fascinating facts waiting to be unearthed. Here are some of the most intriguing facts about Africa's geography that are not taught in schools. Number 1. The Nile River is not just a river, but a geological wonder. The Nile River is a living miracle of the Creator and the giver of life for every soul in Egypt. Since the dawn of civilization, Thousands of years ago, the Nile River has represented the main source of irrigation that transformed the dry area around it into lush agricultural land. The Nile River is one of the most significant waterways in history, stretching across the African continent from south to north, beginning in the rivers that flow into Lake Victoria and ending in the Mediterranean Sea. Spanning over 6,695 kilometers from its source in Burundi to its delta on the Mediterranean Sea, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. Known as the ultimate waterway, the Nile River links the countries of the Nile Basin that covers 11 African countries, which are Uganda, Eritrea, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Tanzania, Burundi, Kenya, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Sudan, and Egypt. This shared resource is a crucial lifeline, as it provides water, sustenance, and economic resources to all these nations. The Nile is fed by two tributaries, each with unique characteristics and geographic significance. 1. The White Nile. Often considered to be the Nile's primary tributary, the White Nile begins in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa, flowing northwards through countries such as Burundi, Rwanda, Tanzania, and Uganda, providing continuous supply of water that fuels journey north, before merging with the Blue Nile in Sudan. 2. The Blue Nile. Responsible for nearly 90% of the Nile's water volume and silt, the Blue Nile originates in the Ethiopian highlands at Lake Tana, where seasonal rainfall contribute nutrient-rich waters. These seasonal floods are essential for agriculture, making the Blue Nile a vital contributor to the river's fertility, as it replenishes the soil along the river's banks each year. The convergence of these two tributaries occurs at Khartoum, the capital of Sudan, where they join to form a single river flowing northwards into Egypt. Within Egypt, the Nile extends from the northern borders of Lake Nasser in Aswan, winding through major cities such as Luxor and Cairo, until it ultimately reaches its endpoint at the Mediterranean Sea. Just north of Cairo, the river splits into two branches, known as the Damietta and Rosetta branches, forming the Nile Delta, which fans out across the Mediterranean coastline. Amazing, isn't it? The convergence of these waters from the highlands and equatorial rainforests creates a river of immense natural power and agricultural wealth. The Nile is more than just a river. It is a geological wonder that has shaped the course of human history. Dr. Catherine Sullivan, a renowned geologist and former NASA astronaut, had this to say about the Nile's geological significance.
The Nile River is a remarkable example of how geological processes can shape the course of human history. Its annual floods brought nutrient-rich silt that made the surrounding land suitable for agriculture, allowing ancient cultures to thrive in an otherwise inhospitable environment.
Till this current moment, the river continues to act as the source of irrigation, as well as an important transportation and trade route. Egypt is the gift of the Nile is an old saying that is passed spontaneously through the minds of most people all over the world, without paying attention or realizing the real meaning or importance. There is no natural landmark in the world that can capture the imagination just like the Nile River. The Nile River is more than just a river, but a gateway to the heavens, and a means of communication between a wide variety of nations, from Lake Victoria to the Arabian Desert and the Nile Delta. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Nile's unique geology is the presence of the Nile's hanging valleys. These valleys, which were carved out by the river's tributaries, are now suspended high above the main river channel, creating a breathtaking landscape of steep cliffs and rocky outcroppings. The hanging valleys are a testament to the Nile's incredible erosive power, which has shaped the surrounding landscape over millions of years. The Nile's geological significance extends far beyond its annual floods. The river's course has been shaped by millions of years of tectonic activity, which has created a unique landscape of canyons, gorges, and waterfalls. The Nile's most spectacular feature, the Nile Cataract, is a breathtaking example of the river's geological power, with 6 massive waterfalls that cascade down a rocky slope. The Nile's impact on human history cannot be overstated. The Nile's fertile valleys supported some of the earliest and most influential civilizations in human history, including ancient Egypt, Nubia, and Kush. The Nile's influence extends far beyond the ancient world. The river's water and fertile soil continue to support millions of people today, with the Nile Basin being home to over 50% of Africa's population. The Nile's hydroelectric power also generates electricity for millions of people, with the Aswan Dam in Egypt being one of the largest dams in the world. The Nile River is indeed a geographic marvel. From its unique geology and annual floods to its impact on ancient civilizations and modern-day societies, the Nile is a fascinating and complex river that continues to captivate and inspire us today. Number 2. Africa is home to the world's largest hot desert, the Sahara. Yes, that's correct. Africa is home to the world's largest hot desert, called the Sahara Desert, which spans across the northern part of the continent. The Sahara Desert, spanning across 9,200,000 square kilometers, is a behemoth of sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and oases that covers nearly a third of the African continent. This vast expanse of arid land is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of Africa's geography. One of the most striking features of the Sahara is its sheer size. To put it into perspective, the Sahara is larger than the United States, covering an area that stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east, and from the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the Sahel region in the south. Despite its reputation as a harsh and inhospitable environment, the Sahara is home to a surprising array of flora and fauna. The desert's unique ecosystem supports a variety of adapted plants, such as the iconic cactus and the resilient succulent, which have evolved to thrive in the Sahara's extreme conditions. The Sahara is also home to several nomadic tribes, including the Tuareg and the Berber, who have lived in the desert for centuries. These tribes have developed unique cultures and traditions that are adapted to the Sahara's harsh environment. For example, the Tuareg are skilled traders and travelers, using their knowledge of the desert's hidden oases and trade routes to navigate the vast expanse of the Sahara. In addition to its natural and cultural significance, the Sahara has also played a crucial role in shaping human history. The desert's trade routes, which connected Europe, Asia, and Africa, were a key factor in the development of ancient civilizations, such as Egypt and Carthage. Today, the Sahara remains an important region for trade and commerce, with several countries, including Algeria, Libya, and Nigeria, relying on the desert's natural resources, such as oil and natural gas, to drive their economies. The Sahara Desert is indeed a fascinating and complex region that is steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. From its unique ecosystem and adapted flora and fauna to its rich cultural heritage and significant role in shaping human history, the Sahara is a true natural wonder that continues to captivate and inspire us today. Number 3. Africa has a Grand Canyon of its own. Yes, Africa has several canyons that are considered to be grand, including Fish River Canyon, considered the largest canyon in Africa, and Blyde River Canyon in South Africa. Located in southern Namibia, the Fish River Canyon is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in Africa. Often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Africa, this majestic canyon is a testament to the incredible geological forces that have shaped our planet. The Fish River Canyon is a staggering 160 kilometers long, up to 27 kilometers wide, and reaches depths of over 550 meters. The canyon's sheer scale is awe-inspiring, with towering cliffs, deep valleys, and crystal-clear rivers that flow through the canyon's depths. The Fish River Canyon was formed over 500 million years ago, during the Jurassic period, when the Fish River began to carve its way through the rock. Over time, the river's relentless flow eroded the rock, creating a deep and winding canyon that stretches as far as the eye can see. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Fish River Canyon is its unique geology. The canyon's walls are composed of a variety of rocks, including limestone, dolomite, and shale, which have been eroded into a stunning array of shapes and colors. The canyon's floor is also home to a variety of unique rock formations, including towering rock pillars and crystal-clear pools of water. The Fish River Canyon is not just a natural wonder. It's also a popular destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Visitors can hike through the canyon, taking in the breathtaking views and unique geology. For the more adventurous, there are also opportunities for whitewater rafting, kayaking, and even skydiving. Despite its natural beauty, the Fish River Canyon is also home to a rich cultural heritage. The canyon has been home to numerous indigenous communities over the centuries, including the Nama and Herero people. Visitors can learn about the canyon's rich cultural history at the I's Hot Springs Resort, which is located near the canyon's southern end. Indeed, the Fish River Canyon is a true natural wonder that rivals the Grand Canyon in scale and beauty. Its unique geology, rich cultural heritage, and breathtaking scenery make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in exploring the natural wonders of Africa. Number 4. The Okavango Delta is a hydrological marvel. Located in the heart of Botswana, the Okavango Delta is one of the most unique and awe-inspiring ecosystems on the planet. This hydrological marvel is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of Africa's natural wonders. The Okavango Delta is a vast network of waterways, islands, and lagoons that covers an area of over 15,000 square kilometers. The delta is formed by the Okavango River, which flows from the Angolan highlands and empties into the Kalahari Desert. The river's waters are then distributed through a complex network of channels, creating a breathtaking landscape of crystal-clear waters, lush vegetation, and diverse wildlife. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Okavango Delta is its unique hydrology. The delta's waters are fed by the Okavango River, which flows in a southeasterly direction. However, instead of flowing into the ocean, the river's waters spread out into a vast network of channels, creating a delta that is both freshwater and landlocked. This unique hydrology creates a rich and diverse ecosystem that supports an incredible array of plant and animal life. The Okavango Delta is home to some of the most iconic and endangered species in Africa, including elephants, lions, cheetahs, and hippos. The delta's waters are also home to a stunning array of aquatic life, including crocodiles, fish, and other aquatic species. The delta's lush vegetation, which includes papyrus, reeds, and other aquatic plants, provides a habitat for a wide range of bird species, including eagles, storks, and kingfishers. As Dr. Steve Boyes, a conservation biologist who has spent years studying the Okavango Delta, notes,
"The Okavango is a true natural wonder, a place where the boundaries between land and water are constantly blurred. Its intricate network of waterways and islands creates a haven for wildlife, and a challenge for scientists seeking to understand its complex dynamics."
The Okavango Delta is not just a natural wonder, it's also a vital source of livelihood for the people who live in the surrounding areas. The delta's waters support a thriving fishing industry, and the delta's vegetation provides grazing for livestock. The delta is also an important source of tourism revenue, with visitors from around the world coming to experience the delta's breathtaking scenery and diverse wildlife. In addition to its incredible natural beauty, the Okavango Delta is also home to a rich cultural heritage. The delta has been inhabited by humans for thousands of years, with the Hambukushu people being the earliest known inhabitants of the region. Today, the delta is home to a diverse array of ethnic groups, each with their own unique culture and traditions. Despite its natural beauty and importance, the Okavango Delta is facing numerous challenges, including climate change, pollution, and over-tourism. Efforts are being made to protect the delta's fragile ecosystem, including the establishment of national parks and game reserves, and the implementation of sustainable tourism practices. The Okavango Delta is indeed a true hydrological marvel that is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of Africa's natural wonders. Its unique hydrology, diverse ecosystem, and breathtaking scenery make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in exploring the natural beauty of Africa. Number 5. Africa is home to the world's oldest and largest meteorite impact crater. The Vredefort impact structure is the largest verified impact structure on Earth. The crater, which has since been eroded away, was estimated at 170 to 300 kilometers across when it was formed. The remaining structure, comprising the deformed underlying bedrock, is located in present-day Free State Province of South Africa. It is named after the town of Vredefort, which is near its center. The structure's central uplift is known as the Vredefort Dome. The impact structure was formed during the Paleoproterozoic era, 2.023 billion years ago. This means that this ancient crater is not only the largest meteorite impact crater in Africa, but also the oldest. And it doesn't end there. The crater is also considered one of the most fascinating geological features on the continent. The Vredefort Crater is believed to have been formed when a massive asteroid, estimated to be around 5 to 10 kilometers in diameter, collided with the Earth's surface. The impact would have released an enormous amount of energy, causing massive destruction and global devastation. The crater that was formed as a result of this impact is estimated to have been around 300 to 400 kilometers in diameter, making it one of the largest impact craters on Earth. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Vredefort Crater is its unique geological structure. The crater's center is characterized by a ring of hills, known as the Vredefort Ring, which is composed of granite and other rocks that were uplifted during the impact. The crater's outer rim is marked by a series of concentric faults, which were formed as a result of the impact's shockwaves. Despite its massive size, the Vredefort Crater is not easily visible, as it has been eroded over time by geological processes such as weathering and erosion. However, the crater's presence can be inferred by the unique geological features that surround it, including the Vredefort Ring and the concentric faults. The Vredefort Crater has significant scientific importance, as it provides valuable insights into the Earth's geological history. The crater's age and size makes it an important tool for understanding the Earth's evolution, particularly during the Paleoproterozoic era, when the crater was formed. It is the second oldest known impact structure on Earth, after Yara Bubba. The Paleoproterozoic era is the first of the three subdivisions, or eras, of the Proterozoic eon, and also the longest era of the Earth's geological history, spanning from 2,500 to 1,600 million years ago. On a second note, the Yara Bubba impact structure is the eroded remnant of an impact crater, situated in the northern Yilgarn Craton near Yara Bubba Station, between the towns of Sandstone and Meekatharra, Midwest-Western Australia. With an age of 2.229 billion years, it is the oldest known impact structure on Earth. This is just how old this crater is. In addition to its scientific significance, the Vredefort Crater also has cultural and historical importance. The crater is located near the town of Vredefort, which was established in the 19th century. The crater's unique geological features have also made it a popular tourist destination, with many visitors and researchers drawn to its natural beauty and scientific significance. As we continue to explore and learn more about this incredible crater, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring power of geological forces that have shaped our planet over billions of years. Number 6. The Atlas Mountains are home to the highest peak in North Africa. Now, the Atlas Mountains. The Atlas Mountains are a mountain range in the Maghreb in North Africa. It separates the Sahara Desert from the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. Stretching across Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia, the High Atlas Mountains are a majestic mountain range that dominates the landscape of North Africa. This rugged and awe-inspiring range is home to the highest peak in North Africa, Jebel Toubkal, which stands tall at an impressive 4,167 meters above sea level. Jebel Toubkal, located in the Toubkal National Park in Morocco, is not only the highest peak in North Africa, but also a popular destination for hikers and adventure seekers. Scaling this summit is a challenge, but it has become a bucket list item for hikers and climbers from all over the world. If you are up for an adventure, you can explore several options for Mount Toubkal trekking, ranging from 2-day hikes to more extended excursions that delve deeper into the surrounding landscapes. The mountain's unique geology, which includes a mix of limestone, dolomite, and granite, has created a breathtaking landscape of towering peaks, deep valleys, and sparkling waterfalls. The Atlas Mountains are also home to a rich cultural heritage, with numerous Berber villages and towns scattered throughout the range. The Berber people, also known as the Amazigh, have lived in the Atlas Mountains for centuries, developing a unique culture and language that is distinct from the rest of Morocco. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Atlas Mountains is their unique biodiversity. The range is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including the iconic Atlas cedar, which is found only in the Atlas Mountains. The range is also home to a number of endangered species, including the Barbary macaque, the Atlas lion, and the Cuvier's gazelle. The Atlas Mountains have played a significant role in shaping the history and culture of North Africa. The range has been home to numerous empires and dynasties throughout history, including the ancient Berber kingdoms, the Almoravid Empire, and the Alawite dynasty. The range has also been an important center of trade and commerce, with numerous routes and trails connecting the Mediterranean coast to the Sahara Desert. Today, the Atlas Mountains are a popular destination for tourists and adventure seekers, with numerous hiking trails, ski resorts, and cultural festivals throughout the range. The range is not only a popular destination for adventure seekers, but also an important center of culture, history, and environmental conservation, home to a number of important environmental initiatives, including the Atlas Cedar Forest Reserve, which aims to protect the unique biodiversity of the range. The Atlas Mountains are indeed a true natural wonder, and as we continue to explore and learn more about this incredible range, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty and importance of preserving our natural heritage. Number 7. Africa has a Sahara Desert of its own in the south. While the Sahara Desert in North Africa is well known for its vast expanses of sand dunes and scorching temperatures, Africa has another arid region in the south that is often overlooked, the Kalahari Desert. Located in southern Africa, the Kalahari Desert covers an area of over 900,000 square kilometers, spanning across Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. This vast desert region is characterized by red sand dunes, scrublands, and grasslands, with a unique landscape that is both beautiful and unforgiving. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Kalahari Desert is its unique geology. The desert's red sand dunes are formed from iron-rich sandstone, which gives the sand its distinctive reddish hue. The desert's landscape is also dotted with unique rock formations, including the iconic Tsodolo Hills in Botswana, which are believed to be one of the oldest human settlements in Africa. The Kalahari Desert is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including iconic African species such as lions, cheetahs, and elephants. The desert is also home to several unique and adapted species, including the desert-adapted elephant, the oryx, and the ostrich. Despite its harsh climate, the Kalahari Desert has been home to numerous human societies for thousands of years. The Sand People, also known as the Bushmen, have lived in the Kalahari Desert for over 20,000 years, developing a unique culture and way of life that is adapted to the desert's harsh conditions. Today, the Kalahari Desert is a popular destination for tourists and adventure seekers, with numerous safari lodges, camping sites, and hiking trails throughout the region. The desert is also an important center for scientific research, with numerous studies focused on the desert's unique geology, ecology, and human cultures. The Kalahari Desert is indeed a fascinating and unique region that is often overlooked in favor of its more famous northern counterpart, the Sahara Desert. With its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural heritage, the Kalahari Desert is a true natural wonder that is waiting to be explored and appreciated. Number 8. The Congo Basin is home to the world's second-largest rainforest. Yes, the Congo Basin is home to the world's second-largest rainforest, after the Amazon. This rainforest is located in Central Africa and spans 6 countries. Located in Central Africa, the Congo Basin is a vast region of lush rainforests, winding rivers, and diverse wildlife. spanning across 6 countries, including the Democratic Republic of Congo, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, and the Central African Republic. The Congo Basin is home to the world's second-largest rainforest, covering an area of over 2 million square kilometers. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Congo Basin is its incredible biodiversity. The region is home to over 1,000 bird species, 700 species of fish, and 10,000 plant species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Congo Basin is also home to iconic African species such as lowland gorillas, chimpanzees, and forest elephants. The Congo Basin's rainforests are not only a haven for wildlife, but also play a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. The region's forests absorb and store massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the impacts of climate change. The Congo Basin's forests are also a vital source of fresh water, with many of the region's rivers flowing into the Atlantic Ocean. Despite its importance, the Congo Basin is facing numerous threats, including deforestation, logging, and mining. The region's forests are being cleared at an alarming rate, with millions of hectares of forest lost each year. This not only threatens the region's biodiversity, but also contributes to climate change and undermines the livelihoods of local communities. Efforts are being made to protect the Congo Basin's rainforests, including the establishment of national parks and protected areas. Organizations such as the Congo Basin Forest Fund and the African Wildlife Foundation are also working to support sustainable forest management and conservation efforts. The Congo Basin is a fascinating and important region that is critical for maintaining global biodiversity and regulating the Earth's climate. Its incredible rainforests, winding rivers, and diverse wildlife make it a true natural wonder that is worth protecting and preserving for future generations. Number 9. Africa is home to the world's largest waterfall by volume. Africa is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and some amazing wildlife. But it's the waterfalls that symbolize life for Africa's people. Water is life, and nothing depicts this more than an African waterfall in full flow at the peak of the season. Located on the Congo River in the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Inga Falls is a breathtaking spectacle of natural power and beauty. While many people assume that Victoria Falls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, is the largest waterfall in Africa, the Inga Falls actually holds the title of the world's largest waterfall by volume. The Inga Falls is a series of rapids and cataracts that stretch for over 15 kilometers along the Congo River. The falls are created by the river's water flowing over a series of underwater ridges and rocks, resulting in a torrent of water that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Inga Falls is its incredible volume of water. The falls have an average flow rate of 48,000 cubic meters per second, which is an astonishing 10 times the volume of water flowing over Victoria Falls. This immense volume of water creates a mist that can be seen from miles away, and the roar of the falls can be heard from a great distance. Despite its natural beauty and significance, the Inga Falls is facing numerous challenges. The falls are located in a remote and inaccessible region of the Democratic Republic of Congo, making it difficult for tourists and scientists to visit. Additionally, the falls are threatened by the construction of the Grand Inga Dam, which could potentially alter the natural flow of the river and disrupt the ecosystem. Efforts are being made to protect the Inga Falls and its surrounding ecosystem. The falls have been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and conservation organizations are working to promote sustainable tourism and protect the natural habitat of the falls. The Inga Falls is nothing short of a natural wonder that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Its incredible volume of water, breathtaking scenery, and unique ecosystem make it a truly special place. As we strive to protect and preserve this incredible natural resource, we must also recognize the importance of balancing human development with environmental conservation. And the 10th fact on the list. The Danakil Depression is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Concurrently true. In the Afar region of Ethiopia, near the border with Eritrea, at the junction of the Arabian, Nubian, and Somalian tectonic plates about 125 meters below sea level. The Danakil Depression is a geological depression that is one of the hottest, lowest, and driest places on Earth. It's also home to volcanoes, salt lakes, and hydrothermal systems. This remote and inhospitable region is often referred to as one of the most extreme and hostile environments on Earth. The unforgiving environment is home to the Afar people, who have adapted to the harsh conditions over centuries. The Danakil Depression is a vast desert basin that lies 125 meters below sea level, making it one of the lowest places on Earth. The region is characterized by scorching temperatures, often reaching as high as 64 degrees Celsius, that is, 147 degrees Fahrenheit, and an annual rainfall of just 25 millimeters, 1 inch. The depression is also home to numerous volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs, which create a surreal and otherworldly landscape. The Danakil Depression is also home to a fascinating array of geological formations, shaped by its unique location in the Afar Triangle, a zone of intense volcanic and tectonic activity that is pulling the African continent apart. This process has created a landscape of stunning beauty, with towering volcanic mountains, deep canyons, and vast expanses of salt flats and sand dunes. One of the most striking features of this landscape is the presence of lava lakes, such as those found at Erta Ale, which are filled with bubbling, molten lava. These rare and awe-inspiring sights attract scientists and adventurers from around the world, drawn by the opportunity to witness the raw power of geological forces shaping our planet. In the National Geographic, The Danakil Depression, A Journey to the Edge of the Earth, Dr. Tim White, a paleoanthropologist who has conducted extensive research in the Danakil Depression, observes,
"The Danakil Depression is a window into the Earth's fiery interior, a place where the raw power of geological forces is on full display. It's also a testament to the resilience of human populations, who have learned to thrive in one of the most inhospitable environments on the planet."
Despite its extreme conditions, the Danakil Depression is home to a surprising array of life. The region is inhabited by several nomadic tribes, including the Afar and the Issa, who have adapted to the harsh conditions over thousands of years. The depression is also home to a variety of unique and adapted wildlife, including the African wild ass, the Somali ostrich, and the Dorcas gazelle. The Danakil Depression is also a place of great scientific interest. The region's unique geology and extreme conditions make it an ideal location for studying the Earth's geological processes and the origins of life. Scientists have discovered numerous fossils of ancient humans and animals in the region, including the famous fossil of Lucy, the 3.2 million-year-old hominid. The Danakil Depression is indeed a place nothing short of breathtaking natural beauty and extreme environmental conditions. Its unique geology, adapted wildlife, and rich cultural heritage make it a fascinating destination for scientists, adventurers, and anyone interested in exploring the most inhospitable places on Earth. In conclusion, Africa's geography is a true natural wonder, a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of our planet. From the majestic Nile River to the breathtaking Okavango Delta, and from the scorching Danakil Depression to the towering mountain ranges of the Atlas and Drakensberg, Africa's landscape is a treasure trove of fascinating geological formations, unique ecosystems, and rich cultural heritage. As we continue to explore and learn more about this incredible continent, we are reminded of the infinite wonders that await us and the importance of preserving and protecting these natural treasures for future generations. That brings us to the end of yet another revealing video. Don't forget to support our works by hitting the thumb up button. Share with friends and families to keep spreading our eye-opening Black narrative, and subscribe to stay tuned in with us if you are yet to. It's a great delight having you with us in this journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.